Hi, this is Noah from Screen Print Exchange. This is the second video for the Channellock's 927 snap ring tool. I'm going to be repairing it hopefully. So here we go. So I have to take this apart because there's something not working or broken in here. Nope. That's tightened. So it's not an easy one. It's hard to do this with a camera. They make you use a special tool for one side and screwdriver for the other. So I just used a ratchet. Okay, it's falling apart. I don't know what's inside here. Probably some kind of a ball bearing or spring. Hey, there you go. Voila. Yep. Yeah, that is a lot of stuff. So I'm going to get back to you and we'll see on the next video. That's what it looks like taken apart. It's a lot of stuff. I think this is too complicated. So I'm going to end up buying a fixed, a couple fixed ones. And I would think that this tool shouldn't be as complicated or as robust. It's hard to manipulate it. So if you had like a few snap rings to pull out, fine, but if you're doing this for a trade, I wouldn't buy one of these.